This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming the essentials. Your carrier plan allows hotspot access and you have sufficient data. Once confirmed, place the device centrally in the space, clear of metal obstructions, roughly 1 to 2 meters high. Make sure the battery is above 50% or keep the device plugged in so power fluctuations don't drop connections. Now enable the hotspot and set a temporary SSID so you can connect one tester device immediately and verify a live connection before deeper tuning. You next optimize the network settings to remove congestion and boost stability. Start by testing 4 GHz for range and 5 GHz for speed. Pick the band that suits your environment. Then secure the hotspot with WPA2 or WPA3, a strong password, and a clear SSID. Hide it only if necessary. Once done, update the firmware and pick a less crowded channel to reduce interference. Make sure to set a reliable DNS if DNS lookups are slow, so name resolution won't bottleneck browsing. You finish by validating performance across devices and applying final fixes. Reboot the hotspot and each client, then run speed and latency tests from multiple devices to confirm consistent results. If congestion appears, limit connected devices or enable Co-S to prioritize critical traffic. For a critical link, tether via USB or Ethernet if available. If problems persist after these steps, swap the SIM into a known good device to isolate hardware versus network issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.